Yep.
Alright, so we're in the forest in Cambodia here. Take a look around.
Yeah.
This is a zoological park. And it's some sort of elephant rehabilitation thing. You see this elephant is wearing some sort of cast. He was illegally trapped in the forest. So, anyways, so we're going to give him sugar cane. Play tug of war with him. Whoa!
Got Mark.
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. You cannot pause.
I lose tug of war to the elephant.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. So thank you for your help.
Yep.
And we have a bunch of tourists here. So see you later. Get well there, elephant.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.